Hello everybody, time to do today's CSS Daily Target. What have we here? That's a nice repeating pattern. How will we do this today? I got the blank template out, but I don't think I want to do an element. I think this is... What is this guy? Is this... okay, so the first thing I think is that... boy. Okay, let's do the repeating linear gradient first. So linear gradient, and we're gonna do... Now I don't know what the heights of these things are, but I just want to do the yellow to the blue, and I want to put it somewhere. Right now I'm going to put it at the upper corner, and I want to just do the stripes, just the stripes. And I think we need to move that down probably, but let's give it a height. So we'll give it 100% width and 50 pixels height and no repeat. Okay, so I want to move this just to the first instance of it. So we need to go downward 10 pixels, 20, 15 pixels, and then that's 60 pixels tall. Okay, so is that 50%? Are the stripes even? Let's find out. They are, and that's great for us. That's great for us. Okay, the 60 pixels, so it's the 30 pixel, 30, so we got this way, if we do that, I believe that will be the stripes. Now, there's another way to do this. A repeating linear gradient, and I'll do, it's the same two colors, and if it's 30 tall, or if it's 60 tall, so it'll be what, 0, 30 pixels, and then 0, 60 pixels. And then if I put that downward, 0, 15 pixels, it's the same thing. Now, which is shorter? This is science. We're doing science now. So which is shorter in code? Oh, it's close, isn't it? So those are identical. And indeed, the repeating linear gradient is unfortunately longer. Now, are there ways to make this shorter? There might be, but unfortunately that word repeating is a big bummer. So, no good. All right, so there's that. Okay, so what's next? I wonder, so it makes me think conic gradient, but the problem is that we've got two, we would need two of them, I think. So, what's the right way to do this? How about a bunch of p tags? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the odd ones. So let's do p, height, 30, background. I'm going to do not the right color, just because why not? And then so we'll do margin 0 auto, and we'll do width 50. Okay, so let's do the first one. We'll do our background. So now that we know what we're looking at, And then I'm going to put, so here, just to distinguish it, I know this is goofy, background black, right, just so I can see. Visibility, let's call it that. All right, so what's the width of this, the big stripe? 100? No, that's height, so we need a width. 100, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay. And then let's do an attribute to do the middle ones. Width of the next one is going to be some smaller number, right? 200, let's say. And then let's put a B on there. That's the idea. And if each one is what, 60 or something, right? So height is like 60, 50, 55. And that's, you're almost getting it. How about that? B. Sure. And then so this is, you know, it's kind of a goofy way to do this. 180, 170, 165, 66, 67, 68, 69. Nope. Wrong direction. 60. There it is, 160. So I don't know if this is not a good solution. Not really, to me. But it accomplishes the task and is, you know, understandable. So I kind of like it. If I make it 50, so what height works, I guess. And if I just do a 1 here, there it is. Done. This solution makes me laugh. Because it's not, you know, I'm such a fan of the conic gradient. But hey, that's working code. I like working code. We get a nice terse background, and we just have some paragraph tags. Hello world. There's your paragraph. There's your final paragraph. And unit replace and minify, and that's some short code, buddy. That makes the shapes that we're trying to match. So I'll take that solution. It's not a particularly long solution, not particularly short, but I like that solution. Hilarious though it is. All right, that's enough of that. Thanks for watching. Be good to each other. Make something cool with CSS. CSS, HTML, they're great. Make stuff. Take care. Bye-bye.